Hey, I'm Father Leo Patalinghug, and this is something for you to think about. Why did God become food in the Eucharist, a piece of bread and a drop of wine? Maybe it's because Mom and Mother Church are right. You are what you eat. And unfortunately, when people hear my ministry, Grace Before Meals, oh, you're the priest on TV who cooks, they might not take it seriously, but it's only because I don't think people take food seriously. And if you were to take food seriously, you would know that you are literally sometimes being fed lies, which look so good because the devil wants you to be fed by evil. And all God wants to do is feed you, body, mind, and soul, with good things. So I gotta ask you, and this is something for you to chew on, or more importantly, something for you to think about. Who's feeding you? And if you are being fed by God, how are you gonna become more like God? Because remember, you are what you eat. Just something to think about.